Hey there, everyone. So today I'm just going to be showing you how to kind of make a kind of homemade SafeX mobile wallet using an app called Termius, available on Android and iOS. So here's the app right now. It's in the host section right now. You can kind of see my connection to my host server right here. It's Here's the kind of main menu. You got your host subsection, where you can create or link to new servers. Then you get your terminal section, your port forwarding subsection, your keychain subsection as well. Neither of the last three, which I have used at all. Your history of your most recent connections, your known hosts. So these are hosts that are kind of saved to your device, as well as having settings, kind of a dark and light mode, and then feedback and suggestions. So you're gonna want to go to hosts, and as you can see here, I'm kind of connecting to my CLI wallet. And as you can see, it pulls up the CLI wallet quite nicely, actually, just as it would on a desktop. So you can see that it's working really well. It looks just like it would on Putty on your desktop computer or laptop, whatever you have, whatever have you. As you can see, I'm kind of inputting the code to run the wallet right here, or the command, and as you can see, it's asking me to input my wallet name right now. So it's actually working. As you can see, it's reading everything perfectly. It's prompting me to put my wallet username, or my wallet file name. I'm putting that in right now. And it'll ask me for the password as well, and you input the password, and obviously we all know what that takes you. I'm doing a copy and paste version of the password just for privacy reasons, just because iOS doesn't let you type in a password without showing you every character that's in that password, and you all know how we feel about privacy at SafeX, or with SafeX. As you can see, the CLI wallet is working perfectly in this mobile app. It's easily legible. I mean, unless you have really bad eyesight, it's very easy to understand and to use this app. Get started. As you can see, you can check your balances. You can transfer tokens. You can do pretty much everything that you could with a normal wallet. It's just not the graphic wallet, which is no problem, I guess. Really, because as long as you know how to use a CLI wallet, you don't need it. You don't need the graphic wallet. But it works really, really well. You can transfer tokens to different addresses, transfer SafeX cash. You can do basically anything you would with a normal wallet. So if, let's say you want to transfer to CoinDeal, or you want to give a buddy some tokens, whatever have you. Whatever you want to do, you can do it in this wallet, but you can do it all from your phone instead of having to log into your desktop or your laptop, or whatever system you're running your wallet on. So it does work really, really well. It's kind of my way of, I guess, creating a mobile wallet. I've been using it for the last day, and it's been working really, really, really well. So now I'm just going to show you how to actually show you kind of what Termius is all about. It's got two different modes to it. It's got its free version, it's got its premium version. The premium version does enable certain security details, such as Face ID, Touch ID, things of that nature, that would provide you with extra security. As you can see here, I'm going to the iOS App Store, kind of searching up Termius. It's the first app that comes up. The free download is on there. You can upgrade to premium at a later date. It's a membership, I believe. You get a 14-day free trial, whatever have you. I have the free version because I personally don't need the premium version at the moment. But as you can see here, I'm going to hosts. I'm going to delete this regular host wallet of mine, just to show you guys kind of how to get it started. So you're going to want to go to hosts. You're going to click on new host, as you can see I'm doing here, and you're going to go to your host name, your address here, and you're going to give it kind of an alias, kind of what you want to name it. And then over here, your host name is the same IP address that you used when you were setting up your CLI wallet with Vultr, with your remote server, as per Rich's video on how to set up a node in a wallet in the CLI wallet. It's the exact same IP address that you would input into Putty. And so you input that. Your port will be 22. It's the default. You hit your use SSH switch, and over here you can kind of input the username and the password for your server that you changed from root, because in Richard's video you changed the user who had those permissions from the root user to whatever customized user you have. So as you can see here, I didn't input the password. I didn't connect fully just for privacy issues because I can only copy and paste so many passwords at one time. But yeah, as soon as you'd enter in that password, it would connect you right in to your server, and you'd be able to see your entire SafeX wallet. You can see your kind of balances. You can send out cash. You can do all those transactions. It's really, really cool. It works really well. It's just a little thing I wanted to share with you guys that I found out. I guess if you want to use it, I mean, if you're kind of in a jam and you, I guess, want to take advantage of something, or I guess send somebody some tokens or whatever you have, whatever you want to do. This is the way to do it from mobile instead of having to log into your desktop. If you want to see if your tokens have migrated, you can check here. You can see it all in this CLI wallet. Again, it's got nothing to do with the V7 wallet. It's only if you know how the CLI wallet works. And that will kind of, if you know how the CLI wallet works, it'll kind of enable you to use this mobile version. So here's my kind of version of the mobile wallet, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Discord. You all know I'm on there at the most godforsaken times, no matter what time zone it is. So I'm mostly sure to answer right away or as soon as possible. Please message me if you have any questions at all whatsoever. I'm always happy to help. And enjoy your mobile wallets.